Your name is?
Cindy Boersma. I'm the Legislative Director for the ACLU of Maryland.
What's the latest status of the anti-spying legislation in Maryland?
Two bills were heard in the House and the Senate last week. There's the Freedom of Association and Assembly Protection Act of 2009, which has strong protections for the First Amendment to ban political spying and political dossier collection by law enforcement. And the administration has introduced a much weaker bill that has, from our analysis, so many loopholes and exceptions that it would authorize much of the spying that took place and has been condemned by former Attorney General Stephen Sachs.
So who's pushing the bill that the ACLU is supporting? What bill is that?
We're supporting House Bill 182, which is sponsored by Delegate Sheila Hickson and Delegate Sandy Rosenberg. And in the Senate, it's Senate Bill 256. The lead sponsor in the Senate is Senator Jamie Raskin.
And what exactly will the bill do that you're supporting that the governor's bill doesn't do?
The bill that we're supporting provides clear guidelines for all law enforcement on what justifies spying on political groups or political activities. It incorporates the federal regulations that govern criminal intelligence gathering with respect to First Amendment activities. The administration bill doesn't track the federal regulations and in fact would encourage spying and the compilation of political dossiers in a way that would lead police to violate federal regulations.
How widespread was the spying on activists in Maryland over the last couple of decades, in your opinion? How widespread was it?
We can't answer to the last couple of decades. What documents obtained by the ACLU have revealed is that spying has taken place currently in Maryland over more than a year period. We don't know the full extent, either in time or number of organizations or individuals who were spied on or who had information about their political beliefs entered into a criminal intelligence database, had themselves and their organizations labeled as suspected terrorists, security threat groups, groups with a high propensity for violence, and had that information disseminated. To date, we've discovered over 60 individuals and over 30 organizations that have been targeted in this way by the Maryland State Police.
What's the main fault with the governor's bill? Is it sort of something they're just putting in to kind of maintain the status quo, or what is it?
I don't know what the governor's intentions were with respect to this bill. It's a bill that purports to establish protections for First Amendment activities similar to the recommendations of former Attorney General Steve Sachs. But if you look at how the bill is drafted, it leaves so many terms undefined and contains so many loopholes and exceptions for police conduct that it enacts a statute that provides a mechanism for authorizing almost all of the spying that the Sachs report condemned. It's important for your viewers to contact their legislators and the governor's office and tell them that they expect the administration to support strong legislation and to embrace legislation that at least tracks the federal standards in this area.
Okay, thanks so much.